We are at the top of Mountain Creek, Vernon Peak. The lift isn't even spinning yet, but how do we get here? We're going up. Good morning. It is 7:24 a.m. We are here at the Vernon base, and we're gonna ski up the mountain. We are going splitboarding for the first time this season.
It's a great morning for a hike.
Long ways up, you know? Got a beautiful sunrise. First one of the season is gonna be a tough one. It's gonna be a struggle. Gives you character. We are at the halfway point, right on the pass of the cab. So far, so good. The first one of the season is definitely challenging, but got a little bit of ways up to go. Let's get her done. I had to shed a layer, but the peak is right there. We're almost there. Let's get to it before that lift starts spinning. Winded, but we did it. All the skins off, put them back in the bag, put the boards back together, and then we get to enjoy a nice corduroy run, first track. That was so fun. We made it to the top. Just a reminder that this is a season pass holder only benefit. You've got all the details located on our website. The page is called Uphill Policy. Check it out. Now we are all booted back up. Helm is on, and we're gonna go take a lap.